do this, done that much. Ayush, Ayushman Kurana, done beta. Now, just add it like this.
Aishwan Khurana is an actor.
Okay, actor, I know. Like it. Okay.
Sir,
Ishka,
can you show
Afrika,
it?
you want to explore something else?
Is it a
You
quail?
are giving
Sir,
Papa
it's a
not giving.
quail.
Or you want to call you Papa?
Sir, it's a penguin, I think. Is that a penguin?
Okay, it's exactly okay. Oh, you are also habituated like this, no?
Is it a
You also
penguin?
habituated that timing, Papa's timing, no?
Sir, it's a
That's
bird.
exactly the Papa. Yes,
Sir, it is a penguin.
it's
Is
a
this
bird.
penguin?
It's a bird's. That bird's name is a very high attitude birds. Okay, his bird's name is Jacket.
বিশাল
Sir,
মন্দির
what
বড়
is this bird's name?
আছে হচ্ছে
Sir, what is this
আছে
bird's
হচ্ছে
name?
তো
The bird's
আরে সে
name
বোন
is
ছিল
that
এখানটা একটু হয়েছিল
is it Himalayan birds. Okay.
What's the name of this bird?
This name is floatbill jay. Floatbill.
Sir, what is the name of this bird? Roseville.
Yeah, parrot bill. Parrotbill. Parrot bill. It's mostly seen in the Sikkim, Zulu, the high altitudes. You can see this bird.
Sir,
Yes,
where do we find these type of birds?
this is a very high altitude bird basically. Done, beta? I love it. Very fast. But you are training for art skills, my son and goods. Where is it ready? I love it. Try to habituate this deep pencil. This deep pencil and white pencil. Okay, carry on. Some let's do it.
Sir, what's the next step?
Next is Alina.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, you can go ahead and explore this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
What do you do on the working days?
Working days, I'm in office in Disney projects, Disney by Zoom.
Please, sir, you are a graphic designer.
I'm not graphic designer, I'm an animator. I'm a concept designer for the artists, for the background characters, assets design. I creating this, the character for movie, for Disney's educational movie.
Means, sir, you have helped Disney to make so many movies.
Yes, make a lake like this, small lake, understood? Making another lake from here.
Means, sir, that's why you don't have time.
That's why I don't have time. Yes, I'm working at 24 hours, almost, so 18 hours and 7 days. Good work. I love it. I have no chutti. I'm doing this.
It means you have holidays only on Saturday and Sunday. So that's why you take our classes.
Yes, beta. In holiday also I'm on work. I take the class. So I have no chutti. I have 18 hours, 7 days I'm working. And I love it. I don't feel bored because I love you all students. I love my all the little kids like you guys are so awesome. You just erasing this line, the construction line. After the drawing, you just erasing the construction line. Okay, Rishan, erasing the construction line.
এই রোহিত নামে গেছে আজকে ওই রাত্রে চলে গেছে
ঠিক আছে আমি জামাটা পরে পরেছি তোমার বাথরুমে
রাতে আমরা
Okay, fall down, Rishika.
And sir, he was gone 2 days I think ago. My dad was gone 2 days ago on his holidays, and he will come today.
Yes. Rishan,
Yes.
do this better. Show your drawing, Rishan.
Okay.
तुम्हारा drawing दिखाओ. Oh.
Sir, how many languages do you know?
Very good. मुझे हिंदी आता है, आमी बांग्ला जानी, and I know English. This 3 language only I know.
Sir, I also know languages. Sir, I also know little bit of
হানি
French.
প্রাকৃতিক মতো
মাম্মা বেটা রিশাদ একটু ঠোঁটটাকে একটু বড় করো রিশাদ ঠোঁটটাকে আরেকটু বড় করো
করছেন কি সুন্দর
ঠোঁটটাকে বেটা
করনি পাখি পাখা করনি একদম ভালো হয়নি কিন্তু
সুন্দর করে করো
খুব বাজে হচ্ছে এইটা একদম মানে হ্যাঁ এটা ঠিক করে করো এই জায়গাটা এত কালো করলো